You plug in your USB drive, and instead of one clean drive, your computer shows two partitions. And one of them is a UEFI NTFS partition that has no reason to be there. In today's video, I am going to show you exactly how to remove it and get your USB drive back to normal. So, to show you what we are dealing with here, let me go ahead and plug this USB drive into the computer. As you can see right here, this drive is showing two partitions. That second one is UEFI NTFS partition, and that is exactly what we need to remove. Before we continue, back up your data first. Everything on this USB drive will be erased, so copy anything important to another disk before moving forward. Alright, once your backup is done, go ahead and search for CMD, right-click on it, and open this as administrator. Inside command prompt, type DiskPart and press enter. Now let's see all the disks connected to this computer. Type this command and press enter. This will display all available disks. Here you can see disk 1 with a size of 14 GB, that is our USB drive. Now let's select our USB drive. To do that, just type the following command and press enter. With the USB drive selected, we are now going to erase all partitions and data from it. Type this command and press enter. Now we need to create a fresh, new primary partition on the drive. Type this command and press enter. The last thing we need to do is format this new partition using the NTFS file system. Type this command and press enter. This will do a quick format and prepare the drive for normal use. Alright, your USB drive is fixed. So go ahead and remove the USB drive from your computer, then plug it back in again. As you can see now, your USB drive shows up as a single, clean partition with no UEFI NTFS partition anymore.